Home Show.
Kathleen from the Energy Corridor has a question about grandson repairs.
Well, he thought that running a water hose in the downdraft of the vent to the cooktop was a darn good idea, Tom. Kathleen.
Maybe it's all clean now.
Maybe. Well, Kathleen writes to us, I didn't know about this until the water flooded the kitchen. She says the vent fan worked afterward, except no air gets to the vent. So she says, I put a hose in the vent from the outside and found water. So who do I call to get this water out?
Well, first off, I just want to comment on the grandson. I'm hoping he's between the ages of 1 and 6. Because if he's between 16 and 24, he really needs to go out and, I don't know, find a career or something, but not that. Right. But I'm sure it was the kids playing and somebody thought this was a cool idea. As far as getting ductwork cleaned, the only person I would tell you to call out of our certified home show pros that might do this, and this is an unusual call, I want you to know this, but that's Lord's Chimney. They clean ductworks. They clean dryer ducts. They do stuff, but
I would never have
sure
thought
it's
of
going
that.
to take shop vac is what it's going to take, and it's going to be a wet vac, which would be a shop vac, and just have to vacuum that water out of there. I don't see how else they could do it, but at least I think they would have the long arm equipment to get down underneath there to do that. It's not going to take. I mean, it's a sump pump as a kind of in a way. It's just going to take someone with a hose. It doesn't have to be a big hose. It can be just a 1/2-inch garden hose, but you're going to have to pull that stuff out of there.
Yeah, I hadn't thought of Lords. That's when I saw this
And I
question.
could be way off base. They might say we're not touching that, but maybe they say, but we know someone that can. That's the only people I would know, because this is not Charlie. 30 going on 34 years, starting in October on the air. This is the first question I've ever had on this one.
That's why I saved it for Sunday. All right. There you go. Every now and then we get a good stumper. All right. So there you go. All right. Well, good luck, Kathleen. And we hope your grandson's able to sit comfortably again soon. All right.
Well, don't touch the child.
You got a question? Go ahead and send us your question. Visit HomeShowRadio.com. Fill out that Ask Tom form. Send it in, and we'll answer it just like that in a video that we post to our website, to our Facebook page, and our YouTube channel. If you watch them there and you like them, give us a thumbs up, would you?